Marhaban, welcome to the Dubai Academy. Today we're going to do exercise 3 from the lesson الاستراحة in the BreakTime, Arabic textbook, lesson 5. Are you ready? Let's start. In this exercise, we're going to practice using the phrase, what do you want? When asking a male, we say, ماذا تريد? And when asking a female, we use ماذا تريدين? Let's repeat. ماذا تريد? ماذا تريدين? What do you want? Now, let's see this question with more examples. Badr, ماذا تريد? Badr, what do you want? Let's repeat. Badr, ماذا تريد? Badr, what do you want? أريد برتقالة. I want an orange. Let's repeat. أريد برتقالة. I want an orange. The next one. Husam, ماذا تريد? Husam, what do you want? Let's repeat. Husam, ماذا تريد? Husam, what do you want? أريد موزة. I want a banana. أريد موزة. I want a banana. The next one. Amal, ماذا تريدين? Amal, what do you want? Let's repeat. Amal, ماذا تريدين? Amal, what do you want? أريد خيارة. I want a cucumber. Let's repeat. أريد خيارة. I want a cucumber. The next one. Reem, ماذا تريدين? Reem, what do you want? Let's repeat. Reem, ماذا تريدين? Reem, what do you want? أريد تفاحة. I want an apple. Let's repeat. أريد تفاحة. I want an apple. Congratulations! We have completed our lesson today. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. For more videos, Ma salama.